You're welcome back to yet another exciting episode on this channel. My name is Ngozika, Afam Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're all welcome, okay? If today is your first time here, I welcome you, I appreciate your coming, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun, and a very interesting content. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you all. Before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. And also the like button. These are the ways you support my channel, okay? Thank you very much. So in today's video, we are going to look at the names of some places in Igbo language. I mean some of the places we visit every day. Good. Ndoyim, tata iba eneba anya won. Afa ụfọdụ ebe dị iche iche anyị nwere anyị na-eje kwa ụbọchị. Ngosetikwa ka ibido. The first on our list today is hospital. Hospital. Ụlọ ọgwụ. Uno, a house. Ọgwụ, medicine or drugs. Uno ọgwụ, a hospital, okay? A hospital. Good. The next one is a school. Uno akwụkwọ. Uno, a house. Then akwụkwọ, books. So a place of learning, okay? A place of learning. Uno akwụkwọ, a school. The next one we have the university. University, mahadum. Mahadum. A university. The next one is primary school. Uno akwụkwọ primary. Uno akwụkwọ primary. Then the secondary school, we call it uno akwụkwọ secondary. Uno akwụkwọ secondary. The next on our list is the library. The library. Ọba akwụkwọ. Ọba akwụkwọ. Ọba akwụkwọ. The next one is a church. Uno ụka. Okay? The next one is a market. A market. Afia or avia. Afia or avia. A market. A market. Okay? The next one is a bank. A bank. Oba ego. Ego is what? Money. Money. Ego, okay? Oba ego or ụnọ akụ. Oba ego or ụnọ akụ. Alright? Good. The next one is prison. Prison. Ụnọ nga. Prison. Okay? Ụnọ nga. Prison. The next one is a media house. A media house. Ụnọ mgbasa ozi. Okay? Next one is a court. That is a courtroom, okay? A court. Ụnọ ikpe. That ụnọ ikpe. Ikpe means justice, okay? So we have Uno Ikpe, a house of justice. The next one is a bus station. A bus station. Bus is Ubana. And station, Odo. So, Odo Ubana, a bus station. The next one is an airport. Airport. Ọdụ ụgbọelu. Airplanes are called ubenu, okay? Anything that has to do with flight. Next on our list, we have a bar. We all know what bars are meant for drinking, okay? A bar, onomanya, onomia. Remember when I did something on household objects, when we talked about bottle, onomia, a bottle of drink. Good, that's what we do in a bar. So we call a bar onomanya, okay? All right, the next one is a restaurant, okay? A restaurant, olili. Olili is eating food, okay? Olili. So olili. The next one is a workplace, a workplace, your workplace, okay? All means work. So olo, workplace. Next one is a store, a supermarket, a mall, okay? Afia. Remember when I said afia means a market, okay? But when we come to supermarket, because it's inside a particular building, or let's say a house, we call it afia. Supermarket, a store, or a mall, okay? The last but not the least today is the pharmacy, or the chemist, or the drugstore. We call that afia ogu. Avia ogu. A house or a building. Afia, market. Then ogu, medicine or drugs, okay? So when you join the three, you get afia ogu, the house where drugs are sold, okay? Good. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Of course, you can also share on your media platform so you can get everyone speaking the Igbo language with ease, okay? See you next time.